Hi, everybody.
Hey.
You are listening and watching Mimi and DeeNice, our new names. So glad you could join us. And you know what? We love our followers. So easy for you to find. Mimi, DeeNice. Easy peasy. Right now, I have been working with a little bit of my art supplies.
Love art.
And I realized something. When I get done playing with my art supplies, sometimes I don't put them away correctly. And this is kind of how I found out. Look what Mimi found. This was once my silly putty. And because I didn't pack it away and put it away and cap it, it got ruined. So that's what we're here today to do, right, Mimi? We're going to show you how to save and take care of and protect your art supplies because we all love art, right? We love coloring and drawing and painting. So here we go.
Well, why don't we start with that since you already pointed it out. This is my Play-Doh. It's nice and smushy and bendable and flexible, and you can build something with it.
So easy to manipulate.
But if you forget to put that cap on at the end of playtime and this stays out overnight or for a couple nights,
leave it like this.
It's going to be like crumbly and hard, and you're not going to be able to use it again. The good thing about Play-Doh is you can use it over and over and over again. So instead of wasting money and throwing it out the window by leaving this open, just take that extra 2 seconds to make sure everything's back inside and put the cap on. If you lose the cap, just put it in a Ziploc tape bag and you're good to go.
Oh, good tip, good tip. All right. How about, how many people love doing the dots? Dot, dot, dot.
Love those.
Well, guess what? I came downstairs to use my dots and I found this one open, no cap on it, and what do you think? It what? It dried up. Yes, it dried up.
Nothing.
I'm like, oh no, now I gotta buy more. Well, I'm sorry, I wasted that. If I had only taken better care of it. Well, here's the simple trick. When you're done playing la 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 la, making your little dot design, please take the cap. Either snap it or screw it in, whichever way it is, but please put the cap back on or else you're going to come back and find out there's no more color in your dots. Ta-da!
Well, that reminds me of something I have here. Now, teachers and moms can relate to this. You have your glue, whether it's clear, white, whatever color. And to use it, you have to unscrew the cap. And how many kids leave that unscrewed? Or if it's a glue stick, leave the cap off.
Ooh.
This will dry up. You will not be able to use it tomorrow. And this, the glue gets all gooky and crusty inside here. And then no matter how, you won't be able to, next time you want to squeeze some out, nothing is coming out of there. Then you got to do the whole paper clip and then dig that in there and get all the gook. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
Just screw it back on and twist this back down and put the cap on. And smart tip, when you're done with this, when it's fully done, keep the cap because these caps tend to roll away and it's like the sock dryer monster where you can't find it again. If you keep extras laying around, you'll always have a top to replace.
Good thinking. Another idea for keeping your art supplies in good condition. Crayons, we all have crayons. And maybe when you get done using your crayons and making your colorful artwork, you leave them like that, all scattered all over the table. And then eventually some get lost, some go missing, broken, and you are without all of the colors of the rainbow. Well, what are we going to do? Here, I know that in Mommy's kitchen, you've got some of these containers.
Yep.
They can be this size, any size you want. You know what I'm going to do, don't you? Guess. Yes, I'm just going to gather them all, throw them in here. Look, this is taking me exactly 3 seconds.
You can even slide it in.
Ah, yes. And now they're all together. I put them on the shelf. They're in their own little family. You won't lose them. and how organized. It's a very grown-up idea. Look how simple that is. I even have some of my kids do them in categories.
Ooh, sorting.
All the browns, all the pinks, all the reds, all that kind of stuff. Or you can do, of course, just your combination of, it comes out of the box in here, and now they are all ready for you to continue doing your beautiful artistry.
I actually like it better in here because when you have all the crayons in these boxes, sometimes it's hard to get that last one in or even pull them out the color you want, so you end up taking out 5 instead of just 1. It's easier to just reach your whole hand in here and grab the color you want.
Yeah, good. What's another problem we have?
Oh my goodness, the paint brushes. I love to paint and I love my soft bristles, but what happens if you paint it all day and you leave this overnight? Those bristles are not going to be soft and pliable and bendable anymore, so you can paint with them accurately. They're going to be crusted on. It's going to be between every single bristle. Go rinse it off. It's real easy. And another tip, if you're painting and you have your paint on your, whoops, that can happen. So when you get your paint and you're about to paint your picture, so it doesn't drip all the way across the table and across your beautiful painting, just kind of dab it lightly on the edge of a plate or on a paper towel, and then you'll be able to, keep it where you want it on the paper instead of dribs all over the place and on your table.
Dip, swipe, dip, swipe.
That's it.
Dip, swipe. Say it with me, guys. Dip, swipe, dip, swipe. And then you won't have these drippy messes.
Oh, and what do we have to do with our paint once we're done for the day? Put that cap on. Same with markers, same with glue, same with everything. They will dry out. So keep them for next time.
Yay.
Make sure that lid is safely on.
The same thing goes for your markers. As Mimi just said, same thing goes for your markers. Please don't use them and then walk away. Cap here, marker there. Cap here, marker there. Okay, I'm done. I'm coming back upstairs. I'm coming, Mom. And then you leave all of those markers to dry. So what?
What do we do?
Is this it?
That's it.
That's it. Is this the idea? Save, protect, take care of? Of course it is. This way you can come back to it and it will be in the beautiful, shiny, colorful condition you bought it in. And again, I have it in a little container so that I can find all my markers without starting to go around the house looking for each one of them. Smart. All right. I think we have one last thing, right?
Yep. It's on your
one
side.
last thing. And it is, what are these called? Yes, scissors. So let's learn how to share scissors. If Mimi needs me to give her a pair of scissors.
Can you please pass me those scissors?
Yes. Watch what happens. I take the scissors and I go like this. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I don't go like that. Correction.
Very scary.
How should I do this? Tell me. Thank you. They're smart. Take the scissors, as you said, turn it around. Take the palm of your hand. I don't care if it's your left hand or your right hand. Remember, this is flip-flop, so this would be your right. Take the scissors, put it around the point. I don't want to stick anybody. Got it covered. I'm protecting it, and now handle.
I can safely take it. Same thing passing it back.
Yeah. Thank you. And then
that goes for when you are walking with scissors too. If I get my supplies from my shelf or my cabinet and I want to walk around to my seat, I do not walk with it pointing up, because if I trip, that's going into my chin, into my chest, into my stomach. Always hold it, and this goes for the same for a pencil or anything pointy, hold it going down. So if I trip, the rounded edge goes against me and I don't get hurt at all.
Yeah, walking, running, and either way, this needs to be covered. All right. I think we have given you some really good tips. So start now. Go down to wherever you keep your supplies, or up or over. Find out if your supplies that you love and want to continue to use are all being cared for carefully. And you let us know. You know where to find us? Mimi and DeeNice will be here again. We love seeing you. Be nice to someone today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.
I'm gonna go wash my paintbrushes now.
Good idea. I'm gonna put everything away. Okay. My parents are gonna love that I put things away. DeeNice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.